How to customize nearby device scanning on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to control automatic detection of nearby Bluetooth accessories, like earbuds and speakers. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Connections from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on More Connection Settings to see additional options. At this point, look for the option labeled Nearby Device Scanning. In the next step, turn on the toggle next to it if you want your phone to detect and suggest nearby devices automatically. Following this, turn off the same toggle if you'd rather stop getting these connection prompts altogether. Once done, close Settings once your preference is set. Keep in mind, this feature uses Bluetooth Low Energy, so it can run in the background even while regular Bluetooth is switched off. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to turn nearby device scanning back on or off. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize nearby device scanning on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next